Welcome to my channel English Literature 101. In this channel, I will be focusing on English literature topics related to ICSE, CBSE, college as well as university level. Welcome everyone. My name is Anamika Shah. This is my first channel, and as you have already seen that my channel features a vast syllabus, so I have divided the syllabus into various sections. The first set of videos which I will be uploading would be on CBSE syllabus, basically for classes 6 to 9. It would include all the stories and poems which students face difficulty in. Similarly, goes with my second set of videos which would feature the ICSE syllabus, basically the drama section for classes 9 to 12. My third set of videos would be for the college as well as for the university goers. As we know that it is a vast arena to deal with, so I will keep my focus basically on Shakespearean sonnets, poems and dramas which are a must read and is often a part of the syllabus. So guys, that's all for the introductory video. I hope my channel would be beneficial for you all, and I would like to know your views regarding this channel. So please do let me know in the comment section below, and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for getting upcoming notification of my classes. So see you soon guys. Thank you.